Hi, my name is Matt Cardoza with MDC Computer Solutions. You can reach me at 916-534-3245 and on Facebook at www.facebook.com/MDC Computer Solutions. Today I'm going to show you how to make a cable stronger. For example, like your iPhone cable. If you haven't gone through several of those, you're lucky. I'll show you. A lot of times they'll get bent like this while they're charging, and it's really not good for the cable. As you see, the iPhone one itself comes with a little protector on there. Most replacements you buy after that wears out don't do that. Usually I try to go slow with these videos so you have time to watch them as you're doing it. This is actually my first time doing this. I got the idea from my wife. All you need is a good pair of scissors, your cable, an old pen, and some scissors like I mentioned. What you're going to want to do is open up your pen and you pull out that spring on there, and if you see the spring on the ends, it kind of has some wire that's real thick at the ends. One of those, actually probably both, you're going to want to cut off both ends. For the purpose of this video, I won't worry about it. I didn't quite make it. You do want to get some strong scissors, or find another way to do it. But what you can do is put that around the end of here, like that, and then just start wrapping the spring around the cable. I'll show you the first couple of loops here. It's easier to do not in front of the camera, not because I'm getting stage fright, but because I can see it better. Please, if you like this video, go to Facebook and like my page, and you'll get my updates. I send out virus alerts and other valuable computer related information. And when this is all done, a good idea, if you wanted it to look nice, or if you had a black cable, you could use some black electrical tape. In this case, white, if you could find it. Then, that's for cosmetics and also for functionality, because if you've had any physics or can imagine, the more compressed springs are, the more dense the wires get, and the stronger it would be. So in other words, the more that's pushed up, more condensed that is, the stronger your connection is going to be. So maybe you'd want to push it up a little bit and then tape it. Right there would be a good location. So that would be just regular, and then you'd push it up maybe that far and tape it like that. This way, when you connect it back into your phone here, it keeps that cable straighter, and the bend is more likely to occur further down the line. Thank you, and let me know if you have any questions.